Let's get to the photos. You want your pictures just right. So this time, use the up and down buttons to move the camera and center yourself on the screen. A countdown will begin automatically before your picture is taken. Are you ready? Here we go.
Welcome to the Universal Studio free photo booth.
3, 2, 1.
Now.
Take a picture of yourself.
Now, 5, 4,
3, 2, 1.
Now do this way. 5, 4,
3, 2, 1.
Let's do.
Now let's do this. Head to head.
3, 2, 1.